stunning 4-story condo is perfect for the chance to live a few hundred feet to the beach. First floor has a bedroom with ensuite bath and a private patio. Second floor has primary bedroom with ensuite bath and private balcony along with the laundry and additional bedroom with bath. Third floor is living room, dining room, a half bath and large kitchen with plenty of cabinet space. Fourth floor is a bonus room great for office, den or play room and also has a large additional balcony with view of the beach. Roof was replaced just last year and HVAC in 2017. Condo fee includes master policy, water, sewer, trash and grounds maintenance. For more information, review the details below.